Hold on, guys. How's it going? Heading out now. Oh, jeez. I left the tripod legs extended, so yeah, we got a list of things I gotta do today. First thing on the list, oh, thank God it's here. Gotta go. What we're gonna do now before we even start the John Deere is we're gonna clean up the electrical points on it. It was misting early and this morning. Now it's somewhat gone, so hopefully by 12 or 1 I'll be getting the rest of the leaves up that have fallen. The leaves really aren't even done yet. But yeah, anyways, it's a little chilly. Not too bad, but so guys, I make a lot of videos during the day, don't I? So once I get a camera back, this is what happens. They get posted all at once. So I spent an hour watching them so I could know what to title them. Hey guys, I'm not the best with titles, but anyways, yeah, it's super gross out here right now, and I wish I had a better shed, but I don't. Alrighty, here's old John Deere. There she is right there in all her glory. Right now, yeah, hey guys, I'm gonna turn on this radio. I'm gonna see if I can get it to work. I don't need some music. Just give me a minute here if I can get it to work. Okay. Gotta get some country on. There's some good stuff. Alright. I hope y'all like country because I do. So, I'm gonna get these lights to work. Dang, they don't really want to come on. Alright. So, got a little meter here. We're gonna see what she says. And she's sitting a little low. I wish it was 12.8, but she's okay. Let me get the socket set. So guys, I might make videos, I may not, so next couple days I may make a few, but it's gonna be with family a lot. So let me get these sockets. Oh great. Oh, just my luck. Just my luck. Yeah, that's about how it's turned out already. Hey, damn it. Alright, y'all gonna come with me. Let's see. Oh wait, we can be resourceful here. Alright. A lot of my sockets left in the garage. That's why there's quite a bit missing. It sucks. Oh.
your all-time country
Guess I have to
favorites
use a big one.
on 98.1 KVAT.
Oh. Here's what they call country music. Oh, this is trash. This is the music I hate. I hate it, guys. I mean, I turned this on for a reason, so I have a pop to talk about too while I'm working here. You can find the right socket. So this is kind of what they think country music is, and it ain't anywhere near what real country is. George Strait is still the king. I'm excited because I get to go see him. Guys, I know I look really dumb because I don't have any sockets, but a lot of them are missing. I have to say that. They are around in the shed laying here. Oh, well, I'll be darned. Loose connections, guys. Like, these bolts are like loose as crud. But I'm gonna clean these points anyways. So guys, really, country music today, you know, it's gotten really into the, I'm gonna say it, guys, it's gotten into more of the sexual side. I mean, some songs are that way, but it just, guys, I'm sorry, I look really stupid, don't I? Wait, actually, oh my gosh! Guys! Damn, look at this! I gotta open up the shed, guys. Okay. Alright, 8 minutes of not finding the right socket. Oh, really bad. Gotta get some light on this.
KVAT playing your all-time country favorites. Here's Eddie Rabbit with When You
I
Can Sing
found one
Along
that'll work
With,
with.
and Snap and Clap. Well, I love the rain, I love the rain, I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. Know the makes me feel good. Well, I love the rain, such a beautiful sight. I love to feel rain on my face, taste the rain on my lips. In the moonlight shadows, showers wash all my
Here it is.
eyes away. I wake up to a sunny day 'cause I love the rainy night.
Really, guys, you should be wearing gloves.
Well, I love the rainy night. Well, I love the rainy
Take a little brush.
I love the rainy night.
A little rusty on contact.
I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. You know it makes me feel good. Well, I love the rainy night, such a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face, taste the rain on my lips.
Scared me.
In the moonlight shadows. What's a song you listen, heart of mine? What's a smile?
It made contact from here to there.
Yeah, I love the rainy night. I love the rainy night.
really, guys, okay, what you should do, you should always wear gloves. You just saw it happen. Yeah, you should have some kind of protection from this electricity. What I should have done here is I should have removed this first, which I'm gonna do real fast because this contact point touched the starter here, and it started making a contact down here. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm actually gonna remove this to the side. Where did I put the socket? Oh man, I am very disorganized. Alright. Get started. You kind of need some 12 and 13 millimeter sockets. I have sockets. I just have missed.
And sometimes the butterflies still get me when I'm in the spotlight. And some people seem to think that
Yep, very dirty.
that I'm different than I was back then. But in my
That's gonna make a difference cleaning this up.
I'm the same way.
And I actually cleaned this in one of my first videos. This is okay music right here though, guys. I just kind of like this music called music. I want to bend this contact too much. It's really the case for this to short out and not work.
They took my face on the big movie screen, but that don't mean I've forgotten where I came from. That's just me chasing dreams.
Here?
Was a Mississippi girl, I'll change her ways. This comes as
So, yeah, let me get all this ready. This starter part doesn't look too bad, but it's just some of this stuff is ridiculous. I'm gonna put this back on here. Yeah, all these contact points are very loose. So that's why it loses contact. Like I wanted to do this before we started it, like bolts over here. Some squares. Got really nervous here.
on KVAT playing your all-time country favorites, Bama Rob and Heather. Going to crank out the 80K payday on January 2nd. Bright and early, you can start winning $1,000 every hour here on KVAT thanks to Maxwell Ford.
Bet you think I'm sitting at home? No. Bet you think that I'm all alone? No. Bet you think I'm missing you and wishing you would call my phone? Hell no. I went wheels up on the runway, and that ticket was a one-way. A summer on the beach, sipping something strong. Got a new girl, she got it going on.
Yeah, guys, I wish I could get like AM 680 from San Antonio better. I'm gonna get that title thing like that dang radio off, because that's just not music. And y'all are probably surprised I actually don't like that new stuff. I'll make the cover back on there. We're gonna have a truth moment here. I'm gonna organize my socket tips today. Now there's some spare sockets. Oh wow, there's some sockets over here too. Guys, this is going to be the moment of truth. So this thing probably hasn't run. We're going to move one thing out of the way first and then we'll get started here. But let me get this. We're going to have a true moment of truth here. And y'all are going to watch this turn over. We're not going to do choke, because I want to see if it'll do this second time. All of our wiring here. I think I know what it is, guys, so I think it's this solenoid on the carburetor. So, guys, I have to say something real fast. For this video, if y'all have any idea what the heck that could be when it starts funny like that, so I was thinking it is actually some of the contact points, believe it or not. But if any of y'all have an idea on what that could be, yeah, let me know, please, because I'll take anything. I really want to figure out what the heck that is. Ooh, one of the tires is going flat on it. Dadgum. But if y'all could help me figure that out, we would be pretty much good to go here. I want to figure that out as soon as possible, just to see what the heck is going on. So, yeah, I'm just not too sure. Because you see it does engage, and then it goes, eh. So, if any of y'all have an idea what that could be, let me know, please. And we will see y'all in a little while. I think I'm going to top off this one tire. It's messing with me again, but anyways, we will see y'all in a little bit then. So, anyways, see you later. Bye.